you haven't seen the Icons video on the Blackwing yet, you've missed out. And you should probably watch that first. Link up top. However, this is the bonus footage of the world's 3 fastest sedans battling it out. The CT5 Blackwing is the most powerful and fastest Cadillac of all time. The M5 CS is the most powerful and quickest BMW of all time. But the Tesla Model S Plaid is simply the quickest accelerating car of all time. And unlike the other two, it wasn't designed for the racetrack. So, what happens when straight line turns squiggly? Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to find out.
Trust this brake pedal. Feels really racy for a big luxury sedan. Fantastic. Come on. I don't trust the brakes. Does not stop like the Cadillac. There's that old oversteer. 4. Now tuck it in. Early power. Good exit. Car's full of brake pad smell. Boy, when it goes, I'll tell you that. Big girl. Better not close. Come on down, baby, come on. Little push. Ew. Come on, working it on. Moving. That's it. I'd like to thank the Driving School Academy, and I've got to thank my co-stars, the BMW M5 and the Cadillac CT5-V and the Tesla Model Plaid.
All right. I'm sorry to interrupt this very humble man, but if you're just tuning in, that's great. You probably want to watch this, but you need to know this is the conclusion of another bigger show where that man broke the world record for the fastest lap ever recorded in a production sedan here at Willow Springs International Raceway 3 times in one episode. 3 times in a row. So you probably want to continue watching and see that, but make sure you watch the full episode. Ready? Go. Not you. You don't have to go. Your work is done. I think you've done enough.